Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, we have started the series on how to study the structural drawing, and today I am going to continue that series and we will start with slab detail study today. Okay, so for to study the details of the slab, first of all, I will just open the same project that we are discussing in this whole series, and you can see over here we have this slab detail. So what are the different things that you can see over here? First thing over here is this portion, which is the slab layout. Okay, then what we have next? Next we have this section of the slab, and next after that we have this particular portion, that is the slab schedule, and then we have this small notes section. Okay, so we are going to study from the bottom. So I will just zoom in and we will start with the notes section. Okay, because notes is the most notes are the most important part of any structural drawing study. Okay, so you can see over here it is written that distribution bars are of 10 teeth at 200 center to center distance to be provided wherever required. That means whatever the distribution bars are uh, presented in this particular slab portion, that are to be used of 10 dia, and then they are to be placed at 200 center to center distance. Okay, now the portion marked having double mesh will have top and bottom 10t at a 200 center to center distance. That means even the portion that is marked as the double mesh that you can see over here in the balcony portion, we have this double mesh structure, and that is also having this reinforcement of 10 dia bars that are to be placed at 200 center to center distance. Now, why these 2 points are written differently over here? So these points are written differently because in this particular project we have used the same dia of the bars, and they are having the same distance, but there are possibilities that in some different project we are using different dia of the bars, and mostly the dia of the bars are same, but the distances may vary. Okay, so that can also be the case. Over here the case is same for the distribution bars and also for the double mesh structures, but this can vary from project to project. That's why this note section has specified both of the points over here. Now we will go for the schedule of the roof beam. So guys, I think this video is going to be very informative over here, and so what you need to do, you need to stay till the end of this video so that you can clearly learn everything that I am discussing over here, like how to study the schedule, how to study the section, and how to study the plan of the slab. Okay, now over here I would like to request you for one thing. Just if you like find this video informative, then please hit the like button and also share this with your friends as much as possible. And if you're new to the Civil Raja channel, then also subscribe to this channel because it takes a lot of effort to make such videos, and it takes a lot of effort to like design everything over here and then present it to you. So please support me, and I will just keep providing you all such information which is very valuable in real life. Okay, now over here we have this schedule for the roof slab. In the roof slab, what you can see there are different columns. First is of the slab marking, then the another one is of the slab thickness, then we have the third column that is having the uh, name of reinforcement, and that means the reinforcements are clearly marked over here. Now you can see the slab marking is same, that is from S1 to S15. All the slabs are having the same properties, so we have categorized it like this. Otherwise, if we have had like a some other slab thickness or some other reinforcement over here, then we would have categorized it in a different row. But normally whenever a building is constructed, all the slabs are having the same specifications, except for the portion where we are designing the sunken slabs. Okay, in the residential building, otherwise all the slabs are having the same property. Okay, now you can see the slab thickness that is provided over here is 125 that is 5 inches. Okay, now we have two different types of the bars. One is marked as bar A and another one is marked as bar B. Okay, so both are having the uh, like uh, details as this, like 10t at the rate center to 200 center to center. That means whatever is specified over here, that is being provided here for the main reinforcement as well. Now you can see that is the detection in the bottom, and then we have the same bars at the same distance at the top also, and these are adjacent bars. How we will just analyze that in this uh, sectional view. Okay, now we will come up to this sectional view. So you can see this is the slab details along the shorter section. Now shorter section is always the section where we have to provide the main reinforcement. Okay, so we have cut out the shorter section over here. Like if you are considering this particular slab, then what will happen? Suppose we are talking about the slab 16, then we will simply say that this is the shorter section, this is the longer section. So we have access from here to here. Okay, so I will just make some marking over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, highlight. Okay, there is no pen over here that I can find right now. So you can understand that this is the shorter section and this is the longer section, right? So if you will just cut a section from here to here, then we will see this section over here. Okay, so you can see we have this slab with marking A over here, which is the long. You can see here we have that A in the this direction from here till here. Then we have the crank over here. Then it is like continuing till this support. Okay. Now from the other end we have this development length. Then we have this bar at the top. Then it is having a crank, and then this will continue till here. Okay, inside the support. So that is the sectional view over here. And in this section of the slab, you will notice one thing, that we do not have any distance marked over here. We do not have any formula marked over here. Otherwise, we would find that we have different types of the formulas that is being marked over here, but we do not need any kind of formula in this particular project. Why? Because I have already specified the exact distances, like from here to here, how much should be the distance. Okay, so you do not need to use any kind of formula. Okay, now you can see I will just study this slab 16 so that it can be convenient for you to understand. Okay, so suppose we have this bar starting from here. So we will continue this bar till here. Okay, this portion in the supports, and then we have this bar starting from here. Then it will have a crank and it will go like this. So these are the bottom bars over here. Then in this direction, that means in the longer direction, we have this bar starting at 1700 then it is having a crank, and then it will go till the support, and from the other side it will again start from the support, and it will go for 1700 then it will have another crank, and then this will continue till here. Okay, so this is a way how we have to construct the reinforcement. So like after 1700 from the support, we have to make the crank, and then this will continue till this end. So you actually know like how much should be the length. Okay, so that is the case, guys. And in the slab, what we need to do, we need to just provide the cover blocks also while constructions. And I will also make a separate video on how to do like how to bind the reinforcement in the slab, and how to uh, provide the cover blocks. And also I will show you like how you can simply um what to say, yeah, leave the cover on the top. Okay, so everything will be clearly specified to you, and that will be discussed in the next video. I hope the slab drawing is now clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt in your mind, then you can simply ask that in the comment section. Yeah, for the double message structure, we have this bar that is 10t are placed at 100 center to center in both the directions. Okay, so that is the case over here. Okay, so it is clearly specified that the distance will be 100 Okay, otherwise we would have followed the notes section over here. Okay, so note section is normally referred whenever we do not have any specification in this portion. Okay, So I hope everything is clear. Now, guys, if you have any type of question, you can simply write that in the comment section. And if you how you have liked this video, if you have not liked this video, or you want something more in this video, or any of my future videos, then you can simply write that in the comment section. If you have any other topic in your mind on which you want me to make a video, then you can simply write that in the comment section as well. And please hit the like button to this video, and subscribe to this channel, Civil Raja. We will meet in the next video soon. Thank you.